So that's the power play summary. In the 6 overs, Karnataka put up that huge score of 76, and Kerala in reply they're 37 for 2. That makes a big difference, but in the end is the huge score which the strikers, batsmen, they see on the big scoreboard. 248 is the target for them. Such a daunting task for strikers.
Happy looking lot here. They've played extremely well. 247 they got. Breaking all kinds of record. Rajiv got to 150. Bhaskar got 87. So everything is right.
Zandu Traore and Nikisha Patel, the brand ambassadors of Karnataka Bulldozers. With Charu around, one is supposed to get the right names. So thanks Charu for briefing us about all this. They're enjoying this. Film stars from the Kannada film industry. They have really had a good outing here, given good support to their side, to the players on the field.
To be fair to Rajiv Pillai, he got hit on his eye when he was fielding, and he's come out, he bowled his 4 overs. He's again been seen with the bat in his hand open the innings. Credit to him.
He's done his bit, Rajiv Pillai. That's the dugout of Kerala striker Shaji, the owner. Lizzie Pradershan at the background. First time they're playing the CCL. Plays it well, keeps it down, only for a single. They've got some good players. The bowling looks quite strong. It's a different story that today they couldn't do well. But overall, if you look at their performance, their bowling remains their strength, and they got good skills shown there from Rajiv Pillai. And then the other players also have done well in patches. But there's so much to learn for the strikers. But I'm sure next season when they come back, they'll put up a far better show.
Nicely played, pass point. They will pick up a single. Terrific fielding there. Again, it's that man again, Rajiv. He's instrumental in getting a run out. What's happened there? A chip of his bat has come out. We'll get back to that. 7 overs, 40 for 2.